Hello, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to look at the Westinghouse outdoor power equipment WGen9500DF, a dual-fuel portable generator with 9500 rated and 12,500 peak watts. Electric start, transfer switch, and RV ready, also CARB compliant. It's got almost 6,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Westinghouse makes a fantastic generator, so if you're looking for different wattages, there are several different models you can pick from, so check those out as well. This can run on gas or propane, with the propane peak and running watts just slightly lower than the gasoline. Remote start included with key fob, and electric and recoil start, up to 12 hours of runtime on a 6.6 gallon fuel tank, with a fuel gauge. It features two GFCI 120 volt 5 to 20R standard household receptacles and one transfer switch ready 120 volts L14-30R and one RV ready 120 and 240 volt 15-50R. All outlets have rubber covers for safety. It's got the Westinghouse 4-stroke OHV engine featuring a long-lasting cast iron sleeve with automatic low oil shutdown and a digital hour meter. All Westinghouse portable generators are functionally tested in the factory and may contain minimal residual oil and/or fuel odor. They're EPA and CARB compliant, backed by a 3-year limited service, labor, and parts coverage with nationwide customer service network. Let me share with you a helpful review from Rach and Dave, a verified purchaser. Pros: came via drop shipping as scheduled without damage. Easy to unbox and assemble. Remote start works great and is very convenient. Produces plenty of power and doesn't bog down with high surge loads. Gas shutoff is easy to access. Included instructions were clear on how to convert the generator to a floating neutral, most homes with a transfer switch. Cons: heavy but not bad to move with the wheels, and loud but tolerable compared to other open frame generators in this range. Bottom line, affordable and powerful, this is the best in its class. Consumer Reports rates it well, and I agree with them. So there you go. Don't get caught in a power outage, and order your Generac generator today. You're gonna love it.